Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you AdOperator sign off and earning ads make. The name of the site AdOperator.com. I will leave a link in description my channels. You can sign up, get a $5 bonus. You will work use a proxy, MobileHop Proxy, very fast and very high quality proxy, MobileHop mobile proxy. In my description printed my proxy program refer 5% referral bonus on mother account, and others proxy use this panel created panel link. Program refer program commissions for every dollar you put if the account on will get 5% referral bonus. Payout minimum $30 only. AdOperator is very good site. Use MobileHop Proxy and ad site domain, any name, put in the any names. Okay, ads done. Ads done. Check it. Scroll down. Okay, click here and smart link, smart tag. As your wish, you can make link. Okay, smart link, name. Yes, link done. Copy, and any browser you can put a link is open. Smart link is very smart tag set up. Okay, done. Link done. Create a landing page and set up ads and share Facebook, YouTube, Telegrams, Instagrams, other social media. Okay, I have first name, last name, country, city, email, password, Telegram, and register. Very easy process. AdOperator sign off. Okay, this is my account. Smart link, copy, and others browser, proxy setup, any browser put here. Direct link open. Very easy process. Done. Any IP added use. It's very easy. Sign off. Only $30 payment minimum withdraw. Web money, PayPal, Pioneer, where USD, skill, any payment method use. Very easy process payment method. Thank you very much for watching video. Thank you.